Let's look at the top headlines first. Kuki militants shot dead 1 BSF, 3 AR injured at Thinkanphai in Chandel district. Committee on Tribal Union Chairman House gutted, 1 killed in mob. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Suspected Kuki militants gunned down 1 BSF personnel and injured 3 Assam Rifles personnel in an encounter that took place around 4 a.m. today. The incident took place at Thinkanphai in Chandel district. According to our reporters at the site, reported that according to a reliable source, some Kuki militants were loitering there. A combined team of BSF, Assam Rifles and Manipur police rushed to the site. When the combined team reached there, the suspected Kuki militants opened fire. The combined team also retaliated. In the retaliation, 1 BSF personnel was killed and 3 Assam Rifles personnel injured. Our ELITETV editor talks with Langamba on telephone. Here are the details of the conversation.
How's you Sunu Kendragi, Manuchan Baduga, Chandel, district Taina Bazagada, Kutuna Bada, BSMA, Legatevaki, Pau Sai, Pamaduda, ELITETV, Paumi, videos and Langamba, Langamba, Todosika, my talks about no Lake the Muduka, Mina, the Uno, BSF, Kanakana, Kutuna, the Lake, that would have 2 minutes from Tabu, Langamba.
Todosi, Nisigi, Noalam the Pung Makai, the whole Pony. The whole Pachi BSF, Manipur Police, CRPL, Amadi, Assam, Yauduna, Changi, Wunichang, Matamachida, Kuki militants, Capsule of the BSF, Amadi, Assam, like Hidaba, BSF, Adugi, Mami, they landed Yadev Kawi, Maki, Mapagi Nina, Nahenda Yadev Kawi, Mahasi. West Bengal, the Guinea, Adu Halna, Jiban Hospital, Chato Matam, Nasi, Jiban Hospital will become the Lambida, don't like Diana, Poppy, Aduga, Ujiki, Mafama Simak is that for me, Shadow Kujashin, May Chapiva, the Cano, the Embasang Musida. Moy Nitaru, the Embasang, the Embasanga Sida, for me, Nitaru Sida, Mi Amadi, Fair, Aduga, Mi Maria Mana, Pahen, Sopi, and the hospital like a bit Pugaduga, Mi Amanazi, Siduna, the Kanalabu Mapanda, Taduna lady, Adu, Sidiba, me, Sophie, me, Sleepy, happened the emergency over Mahati, Mani, Lobang, Reduga, Sivan, Juju, Pudi, Place Mega Kambuna, Polista, or people the gives more. Langamba Marina Tosi, Kadaja, Tokunokari, Tokuno have them Panbidaki, Kadaja, no, Subtano, Mabukari, from the talk about to Mafum Duda, like having his and Hilubra, Kamanata, the Hum Tambiro. Go say for the Langpai Harry, the Rashidani, Garbashi for you, Sandel Assembly from the Italy, Sida, Pena, Tirampai Ziki, Kutomare, the Shelma later. Asarful home share would be a pena. The Gaduda, the Gadukin Tanga, Karikari Fudum, again and game of some Rubani, game of some Rubasida, Masa, Narang like the Vadu in Araponi, and Arapodi Pena, Lista of Pizarra, ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ
ꯊꯤꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯄꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯨꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯣ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯕꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯇ ꯆꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯣꯄꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 11 ꯃꯈꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯝ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯥꯡꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯥꯡꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯎꯕꯗꯒꯤ Manipur Police, BSF, CRPF amadi Assam Rifle changduna ngarangsу ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ combing operation ꯇꯧꯏ combing operation ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ
ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯉꯝꯕ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯨ Assam Rifleꯅ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯅꯣꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯦ Assam Rifleꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯤꯀꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯥꯞꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯦꯔꯧ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯞꯇꯛꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ
ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯉꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯥ ꯄꯅꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯔꯧꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯀꯝꯕꯥꯏꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯉꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯂꯥꯡꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ
ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯔ
Amid the news of reopening the national highway for 7 days, furious mob destroyed the houses of President of COTU, one killed in the mob. The incident took place at Sabarmania yesterday. The two leaders of Sadar Hills district houses were attacked by furious people. The COTU's chairman's house located at Sabarmania was burned down and the convener of COTU's house at Gamgifai village was also destroyed by the furious people. The news of reopening National Highway NH2 for 7 days was declared by the leaders. Thereafter, the angry people combined with suspected highway protection Kuki militants started burning and destroyed houses. The leader of Kuki National Front, P, husband of a minister, one tried to put an end to the chaos. Continued, the leader of KNFP started firing. One person died during the gunfiring. After controlling the situation, the last rites of the person that died in the mob was performed, the sources added. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts today after separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and shops were open. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Apple's first ever mixed reality headset Vision Pro price will start from $3,499 in the US. Apple Vision Pro will be available early next year in the US, with more countries coming later next year. Apple said the device allows users to interact with digital content in a way that feels like it is physically present in their space. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipurda ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki. Masina awang nungpok Bharata yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
SS Career Solution na Chahitara Hena Kunai Sida Ladiba Naharol Singbu Achumba Sinfam Mama Kangjana Bagi Kudom Jaba du Mapung Fana Pina Bagi Damak Specialized Oraba Tim Gaya Semdona Angang Singbu Nauringai Dagi Koiga Jana Bas Sinfam Gimaramda Sing na Mari Makong Taktuna Afaba Kunayama Oirak Nabahona Dunanga Sifabalak Career Solution Amagi Chap Chana Guidance Tiba Haibasi Arriba Dinate Adubu Ipurgedi Toina Nunsa Tiningai Oitri SS Career Solution na Akak Naba Plan Amadi Expertise Singa Putsinduna Sacha Kaknatana Community Level Dagi Hauraga Adom Adomgi Paidagi Chanaba Sinfamadu Mai Pak na Chatna Naba Same Sagan Aikuigi Mamalyam Laba Naha Singbu Tungge Chuvalambela Madalam Jing Haurasi SS Career Solution na Piriba Kudong Chaba Singasi Kopna Kanta Haurasi
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Ahead of PM Narendra Modi's state visit, the US has said India is a vibrant democracy. Anybody that, happens to go to New Delhi can see that for themselves. Commenting on PM Modi's visit, the US said, but this visit is really about advancing what is now and what we hope will be a deeper, stronger friendship going forward. American chip maker Intel Corporation is offering 35 million shares of Class A common stock or around $1.5 billion stake in Mobileye Global. After the offering, Intel's voting share in the Israel-based automated driving technology maker will come down to about 98.7% from 99.3%. Mobileye, whose customers include BMW, Nissan and Volkswagen, listed on Nasdaq last year. Apple on Monday unveiled the new Mac Pro with M2 Ultra chip, which is dubbed as the most powerful chip for a personal computer. The price of the new Mac Pro starts at $6,999. The new Mac Pro will be up to 3 times faster than the fastest Intel-based Mac Pro. It will support up to 6 Pro display XDRs. SpaceX on Monday launched a Falcon 9 rocket to deliver more than 3,100 kgs of science supplies and provisions to the International Space Station ISS. This is SpaceX's 28th cargo mission to ISS for NASA. The Dragon spacecraft atop the Falcon 9 rocket will dock with the space station on Tuesday after completing almost an 18-hour journey. Venture capital firm Lightspeed India's partner Rahul Taneja said there's no better time than now to invest in India despite some investors scaling down their investments. We're not bothered by cycles, Taneja stated, adding that Lightspeed is very bullish about the Indian ecosystem's future. The country is still in the very early stage of its digital transformation, he stated. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Kuki militants shot dead, 1 BSF, 3 AR injured at Thinkanphai in Chandel district. Committee on Tribal Union Chairman House gutted, 1 killed in mob. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. That's all for now. Tune in at 3 p.m. for more news updates in English. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.